Hello YouTube, I haven't made a video in ages, so here's an update back check. Starting off, I've got Odyssey Parents, ODI XL grips, the stock WETHEPEOPLE bars, salt stem, salt headset, salt forks, BSD, BSD Street Hub, whatever it's called, Alienation Black Sheep Rim, G-Sport Pleg, Animal OG peg with a proper hub guard, and the tyre is an Odyssey Aiken 2.25. The frame is a WETHEPEOPLE Trust 2010 painted green, WETHEPEOPLE sticker, WETHEPEOPLE sticker, WETHEPEOPLE sticker, and another WETHEPEOPLE sticker. It's 21-inch top tube, full Cremani. King Sean Sexton's fat seat, salt seat post, and the WETHEPEOPLE clamp. Primo hollow bite cranks, I think the older ones. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Odyssey $1 million sprocket, and Odyssey Bluebird chain with a 20 bikes bottom bracket. I'm not sure if you can see that. Back wheel is an Odyssey hazard light, laced up to the Salt 9-tooth cassette, with I have no idea what the back peg is, and a Seasons hub guard, another Odyssey Aiken 2.25 tyre. That's my back check. Rate, comment and subscribe and tell me what you think.